Grace and peace, everybody. Peace be multiplied. I pray you all are doing well this morning. We have a beautiful, beautiful sunny day today. But I pray you all are doing well. Thank you guys so much for all the love on all of the previous vlogs and stuff. Good girl. Ooh, you peed a lot, mama. Good girl. Good job. Today, I believe, if things go like they say, I believe my mom will be coming down. My sister will be coming down today. I'm not exactly sure what we'll get into, but it'll just definitely be nice to have them around. So, but look at what happened to my fingers last night. I accidentally hit my fingers on the wall. So this nail is broken and the dip broke. And then this one was really bad. Like my whole nail on the side is pretty much like down to the nub, and then it's starting to bruise here in the corner. It's very sore. It's turning a little purple. I pray it doesn't get dark, but it might. So now my nails look a mess, and yeah, I had to pump the heat because it gets really, really, really cold in the film room. I don't know if it's because not a whole lot's going on in here at the moment, and I'm in my room, you know, majority of the time. So let's cut on some film lights and see what we are looking like. I promise y'all, I'm gonna stop getting on here with crusty dusties. Let me show y'all something. Okay, so I have to give credit where it's due. Like, that's just what it is. So Sunny put me on to this lip gloss. This is like her favorite lip gloss, her staple, it just has to be in the makeup bag, okay? But she put me onto this lip gloss and I have been loving it. I've had it for like not a super long time, but quite a little while now. But I mean, it lasts a while, and I mean, it's just like that. But last night, I was like, okay, lip gloss. I'm like, you know what, Mented has, here we go, Mented stuff. But I was like, you know what, Mented has a bunch of lip glosses. So I was like, well, what is? I had already had like a ton of this on, so I was like, let me just see what this color looks like just by itself, you know, makeup girl. I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did last night. So what I do is I put this on like normal. So now that's on, so now I'm gonna take the lip gloss. This particular lip gloss is baby brown. Take that and just put it on. Now don't be intimidated by the lip gloss, because as soon as you put it on, it is like, look at that, it is quite dark. I say about 2 or 3 times. I would say probably the second time I did it was perfect, but okay. Then go back in with a little bit more of this one. And I don't know, last night that gloss just did something for me last night. So I feel like I look extra pale this morning. I don't know what's going on. I am literally sitting here. I cut my lights on, and I'm just not happy with what's happening. Like what is really going on? Okay, what is really going on? Alrighty guys, so I was actually getting ready to run to my car to go get a couple of things. My family is coming into town today, so I'm really excited to have my people over. The house is, for the most part, clean from for what I can get it at the moment. So this is just the lounge area. I have a few boxes still out, but they understand that I still am very much still moving in. So I wonder if I could put, child, boxes gonna be all up in these closets, honey. Oh well. I honestly just didn't want them sitting out while my family was here, but like I said, like they understand, you know what I'm saying? Like, they get it. Yeah, I just want to put up. I'm gonna actually drag these to, their stuff's still all in this one. This is just one of those boxes that I still have to go through. Even like this one still has like a few decor pieces that I will eventually put up. It'll get handled this week. Of that way everything is open and, you know, just cleared off. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I want it to look, obviously, with no boxes out. But we all know where the boxes are stored, but it's okay. So yeah, I need to go get a box out of my car that has a promo. It's full of like something I have to do for a promo. Also, I want to edit. I was trying to work on like this little reel. So, you know, Sunny, she put me and a few other people into like this group chat on Instagram. She honestly offered it to anyone who wanted to join. So if you did catch it, awesome. Then you'll know what I'm talking about the group chat. But if you were not able to catch it, no biggie. Basically what it is, just kind of like a, it's just a way to keep us all accountable and, you know, just to keep us, you know, doing all that we need to do when it comes to creating content and all that stuff. So I'm actually getting ready to grab my computer. I was actually getting ready to run and grab me something to eat, but my sister just texted me and said that her and my mom and my nephews are on their way, so they're not too far from me. So I'm not gonna run and go get no food. I'm just gonna wait until, you know, they get here. So that's what I got going on today. I'm a little irritated because the reel I was working on was on this hairstyle and I don't like my fro. My fro came out better the other day when I didn't record it. So now I guess I can just try this out on camera with you guys. So again, if you watched a couple vlogs ago, I did like a little mini hair haul. But this is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Silicone Free Lightweight Shine Mist for dry and dehydrated hair. So we're gonna spray a little bit of this in the hair. Hopefully this will, I don't wanna do too, you know, like when you put grease in your hair and stuff, it's just like grease gets everywhere. Okay, definitely not liking the smell. I just spritzed a little bit in my hands. I'm gonna rub it through. What are we looking at? Hair is still kind of wet, but I love that we have body though, so I'm not. Oh, he like that. Hi, baby. But yeah, they were such a joy to have over today. I'm really happy that they came. I'm really exhausted. For some reason when I ate, I had like some pizza. So I don't know, for some reason when I ate today, it just made me extremely exhausted. So I'm like so tired. I don't know, you guys can see it in my eyes, like my eyes are heavy and it could probably be in my voice, but yeah, I'm like really exhausted. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys the TV stand. So this is the TV stand my mom ended up gifting me that I was telling you guys about. This is the brand, and oh, it comes with the bonus cable covers included. Oh man. No paintable, no drilling required, easily snaps onto wall. Oh man, this is such a dream. The only thing about it is the cable cord looks like it's really thick. I don't need nothing that thick. But what I'm gonna do probably is like, I'm gonna have to like Google some, you know, on like Amazon or something, and just see if I can find me like a cable cord cover. Honestly guys, all I need is like one of the skinny ones. Like I'm not doing cable, at least not right now or anytime soon. I literally have one cord. Like that's all I have, so I don't need anything super thick. I just need something really skinny and thin. Let me, I'm sure Amazon has something. Cause see, like these here are pretty thick. See, something like this that's skinny. Like I literally need one. Like I just need one. See, a lot of these are coming in like packs of like, I don't know, like a lot. I don't need all of that. I just literally need like, I just need one. Like, this is 12. This one's $12.99. And you see how you just see, yeah, like this. That's literally all I need. I don't need anything extravagant. But the crazy thing is, all right, it comes in brown, beige, gray, and white. I'll probably just do white. That way it can, you know, kind of seamlessly blend. So I'm starting out with the spotlights because the spotlights go towards the back side of me. That's usually how I do it. So I'm going to add this one first. Next. So then we use the ring light, which goes literally in front of me. But even with this one, I've been noticing I really don't like it like slap dead on me. So I kind of raise it up. Softbox lights again. I don't know if I told you guys here on the vlog yet, but they both started to work again. So I don't know how, I don't know what. All I know is I was unplugging the light and all of a sudden it came on. So at the moment I'm not getting any action from the light. Come on, Avery. And we'll put that one on this side. Some of you were saying, is it the light bulbs? Nope, the light bulbs work, and with it cutting on earlier, I know for a fact it works. It could just be a shortage in either the cord, or honestly, it could be a shortage in this outlet right here. But what I can try to do is see, let me try to plug it up somewhere else. Okay, so now I know it's not that outlet because it's not working. See what the lighting looks like, because I'm not gonna stress myself about this one light. I'm gonna actually switch my lens here. Switch my memory card here so you guys can see what I see. So this is a test shoot. Let me zoom you guys in and see what you guys think about like a close-up. Oh, your hair is always looking crazy. Say hello to the people. Say hi. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is my sweet baby girl. My biggest thing with like the footage is I just honestly want it to look like, not that it's so much studio, but that it's just, I don't know, that it's natural lighting. You know what I'm saying? I don't even mind the plain white background. That, I honestly don't even mind it. You know what I'm saying? I really don't mind it. I just want you to be able to see me. I don't want it to be dull in the back. I want you to be able to see the definition of my hair if I'm showing you my hair.
But tell your neighbor, tell hell I'm coming. Somebody said I'm going to hell. Woo! When I said tell hell I'm coming, that means I'm coming in the under place. The place that got my family members trapped. And not just my family, my vision, my dream, my gifts, my potential, my ability.
Come on!
And if you ever want to have fire, you got to go to the source to get it. When I come out of this, I'm coming out with a passion like I've never had. The spirit of procrastination is going to burn out for me.
Yes.
The spirit of procrastination is going to burn out for me.
Yes.
The fire of hell.
A period, amen. 2 Kings chapter 4 is where he's coming out of today. Virtual church be lit too, okay? He preached this, y'all, on Watch Night Service to bring in the new year. Man,
go forward.
Went crazy.
Don't. So some of you who have watched us online and you that are in the sanctuary and you took, if you had a chance to take any notes on New Year's Eve, our message was entitled Pull Out All the Stops.
Yep.
This text is very familiar.
You guys, Sunday is looking like a very chill Sunday. I'm just eating my favorite chips ever. These are the veggie straws, zesty ranch. I have to have the zesty ranch kind. The other flavor, like the sea salt, does nothing for me, okay? I just want to, like, while I encourage you, I want to encourage myself. So like, you know how you just see, you know, other friends or family or just people in general, you know, the things that they want to do. You're just doing, you know, doing things that you possibly may want to do or something. I just wanted to encourage somebody that at the end of the day, a lot of these things that we go so crazy over are very meaningless. And I don't mean like, oh, your purpose is meaningless, or oh, you know, you shouldn't care about doing this or that. But I feel like it's more so of wanting to do the will of God. But I just want us all to go into the new year with a clear mind on what it is that God sees fit for us to do and what that looks like and what that means as far as like pressing forward. It's very, very, very important that we actually take that time to study, that we actually take that time to really seek God after the things that he wants us to do. Because at the end of the day, that's what's important, is doing what God has called us to do as opposed to what we feel like God wants us to do, because we could be completely wrong. And I also seen a post that really spoke to me, and I'm sure it spoke to a lot of other people, about that social media can possibly have you craving or wanting a life that you necessarily do not even want. But because it is so popularized, it is almost made seem like this is the life to have in order to have a successful life, or this is the life to have so you can have all of these different things. When I'm like, no, there's so many ways to have a wonderful and prosperous and successful life. And honestly, success is pretty much based on what you see success. Okay, so I am actually beginning to do some prep work for a brand that I will be shooting for tomorrow. So I got my big boy out. I don't know why I got the mic on, because I don't need that at the moment. But I got my lights on and I got the box right here. I can't show you guys yet, but just be on the lookout for my Instagram and Insta story here soon. I'm trying to capture the vibe. So I'm getting ready to switch the lens here because I want a little bit of a softer shot, and my Sony gives me more of a softer shot.